Let's hit it. Results about 2 months. Carnivore diet, building the body, natural, no pre-workout, no protein, no amino acid, no none of that. Doing 1 hour walking, cardio acceleration between sets, and this is the results. I burned. I was at 22, now I'm at 13, so 7 plus 2 make equals 9. So I dropped 90% of body fat in like 50 to 60 days, not even 60 days yet, right? And I increased my muscle like 5 pounds. I'm gonna post my results over here for my in-body results. I was just trying to get to 20%. So I passed my goal 20%. My first goal was hit 20%. My second goal was like 15, and the third goal was 12, and my final goal is single digit body fat. I'm already at 13. Let's go. Let's hit it.
Give it to me like